Hi friends from Kenya, from our homestead. We are outside enjoying some sunshine, and I want to bring you a short video today of real life in Kenya as a foreigner who is not working due to needing a work permit, and it's super expensive. So over the weekend, we didn't get water. We didn't get government water. It didn't come in. It has been very hot and dry. So we don't know, is it due to a drought? They didn't forewarn us. They didn't give us any warning or tell us that we are not getting water. So there's a lot of people that don't have water. So of course we need water for our animals and for ourselves. And the water remaining that we have is going to either finish tonight or tomorrow. So we are here to say thank you so much for continuing to support us. Please don't go anywhere. We are going to try our best to post what we can. Pray for us that we can be able to buy some water. We know God is our ultimate provider and He is going to bring us through.